Good morning, Emma. Did you read the project proposal?
Yes, I reviewed it last night.
What do you think about it?
I think the idea is promising, but the deadline is too short.
I agree. We only have 2 weeks to finish everything.
That's going to be stressful for the whole team.
Maybe we can ask for extra support from marketing.
That would definitely help.
Are you available for a meeting this afternoon?
Yes, after 2 p.m. works for me.
Perfect. We need to divide the tasks clearly.
Otherwise, people might get confused.
Exactly. Communication is very important.
Especially on large projects like this one.
Do you want to handle the presentation slides?
Sure, I actually enjoy designing presentations.
Great. I'll focus on the budget report.
Sounds like a good plan.
Hopefully the client likes our ideas.
I'm confident they will.
Hey, Sophia. Mind if I sit here?
Not at all. Go ahead.
Thanks. You look tired today.
I stayed up late finishing a report.
That sounds exhausting.
It really was.
Did your manager ask for many changes?
Yes, almost everything needed revision.
That must have been frustrating.
A little, but I learned a lot from it.
That's a positive way to see it.
I try not to complain too much.
So, what are you eating today?
Just a salad and some soup.
Very healthy.
I'm trying to improve my diet.
I should probably do the same.
Maybe start by drinking less coffee.
Impossible. Coffee keeps me alive at work.
Fair enough.
Clara, are you ready for tomorrow's presentation?
Almost, but I'm still nervous.
You prepared very carefully.
I know, but public speaking scares me.
That's completely normal.
What if I forget something important?
Just stay calm and continue speaking.
Easier said than done.
Have you practiced enough?
I practiced 3 times yesterday.
Then you'll do great.
I hope the clients are friendly.
Most of them seem professional.
That's good to hear.
Do you want me to review your slides again?
Yes, please. I'd appreciate that.
No problem. Teamwork is important.
Thanks for helping me.
Anytime.
I feel more confident already.
You're still here, Olivia?
Yeah, I need to finish these documents tonight.
That's a lot of paperwork.
Tell me about it.
How long have you been working on it?
Since this morning.
You should take a short break.
I will after I finish this page.
That's what you said an hour ago.
Okay, maybe you're right.
Want some coffee?
Yes, please. I really need caffeine.
I'll grab 2 cups from the kitchen.
Thanks, Jason.
No problem.
Are you leaving soon?
Probably in 30 minutes.
Lucky you.
Try not to stay too late.
I'll do my best.
Chloe, did you talk to the angry customer earlier?
Yes, and it was very stressful.
What happened exactly?
His order arrived 2 days late.
I understand why he was upset.
Me too, but he was shouting loudly.
That must have been uncomfortable.
Definitely.
How did you handle the situation?
I apologized and offered a discount.
Smart decision.
Eventually, he calmed down.
Good job staying professional.
It wasn't easy, honestly,
Customer service can be challenging sometimes.
especially during busy weeks.
At least the problem is solved now.
Thankfully,
You deserve a peaceful afternoon after that.
I completely agree.
Anna, have you learned how to use the new software yet?
Not completely. It's a little confusing.
Same here.
The old system was much simpler.
True, but this one has more features.
That's probably why the company changed it.
Did you attend the training session yesterday?
Yes, but it was too fast,
I struggled to follow some parts too.
especially the reporting section.
Exactly.
Maybe we should practice together later.
That's a great idea.
We can help each other understand it better.
Teamwork makes learning easier.
Definitely.
Hopefully we'll master it soon.
We don't really have another choice.
That's true.
Let's survive this together.
Emma, you're late today. Everything okay?
Yeah, the traffic was terrible this morning.
That happens a lot on Mondays.
I left home early, but it still took forever.
Did your manager say anything?
Not yet, thankfully.
You look stressed.
I hate arriving late.
Don't worry too much.
I just want to seem professional.
One late morning won't ruin your reputation.
I hope you're right.
Did you at least have breakfast?
Barely. I grabbed coffee on the way here.
That's not enough food.
I know, but I was rushing.
Maybe take an early lunch break later.
Good idea.
Mondays are difficult for everyone.
That makes me feel better.
Sophia, can I ask you something personal?
Sure. What is it?
Are you satisfied with your salary here?
Honestly, not completely.
Same here.
I think we work very hard for the amount we earn.
Exactly my thoughts.
Have you considered asking for a raise?
I've thought about it, but I'm nervous,
It can be uncomfortable discussing money.
especially with management.
True, but your performance has been excellent.
Thanks.
You deserve recognition for your work.
Maybe I'll schedule a meeting next month.
That sounds reasonable.
Have you ever negotiated salary before?
Only once at my previous company.
Was it successful?
Surprisingly, yes.
Did you hear the news about the marketing department?
No, what happened?
Apparently, they're hiring a new manager.
Really? I wonder why.
Some people say the old manager resigned.
That's unexpected.
He always seemed calm and confident.
Maybe he found a better opportunity.
That's possible.
Offices are always full of rumors.
Very true.
Sometimes it's hard to know what's real.
Exactly.
Are you interested in management positions?
Maybe someday, but not yet.
Managing people sounds stressful.
It definitely comes with pressure.
I'd rather focus on creative work.
Same, honestly.
Less drama that way.
Emma, are you ready for the business trip next week?
Almost. I still need to pack.
Have you booked your hotel already?
Yes, the company arranged everything yesterday.
That's convenient.
I'm a little nervous about traveling alone, though.
Don't worry, you'll do fine.
It's my first business trip.
Then it'll be a valuable experience.
I hope so.
Which city are you visiting?
Singapore.
Wow, that's exciting.
I've heard it's very modern and clean.
It definitely is.
Have you been there before?
Yes, twice for conferences.
Any advice for me?
Bring comfortable shoes and stay organized.
Thanks, I'll remember that.
Excuse me, Lily. Could you help me with this report?
Of course. What's the problem?
I can't understand these sales numbers.
Let me take a look.
Thanks.
Oh, I see the issue now.
Really?
You entered last month's data incorrectly.
Seriously?
Yeah, but it's an easy mistake to fix.
That's a relief.
Here, I'll show you the correct format.
I appreciate your help.
No problem.
You're always so patient.
I've made similar mistakes before.
That makes me feel less embarrassed.
Everyone needs help sometimes.
True.
Now your report should look much better.
Good morning, Ava. Ready for the meeting?
As ready as possible.
Did you prepare the financial report?
Yes, I finished it late last night.
Great work.
I hope the director likes it.
I'm sure he will.
These meetings always make me nervous
Why?
because everyone asks difficult questions.
That's part of business.
I know, but I still get anxious.
You're more prepared than most people.
Thanks for saying that.
Did you bring printed copies?
Yes, 20 copies.
Perfect.
Hopefully the meeting ends quickly.
Same here.
I already need another coffee.
Hi, Sophie. This is our new employee, Jake.
Nice to meet you, Jake.
Nice to meet you too.
I'll help train you this week.
Thanks. I'm excited to start.
Don't worry if things seem confusing at first.
I appreciate that.
Everyone needs time to adjust.
What should I learn first?
Let's start with the company system.
Okay.
After that, I'll explain you daily tasks.
Sounds good.
Feel free to ask questions anytime.
I probably will ask a lot.
That's completely fine.
Everyone here seems friendly.
We try to maintain a positive environment.
That makes me less nervous.
You'll fit in quickly here.
Congratulations on your promotion, Emma.
Thanks, Ben. I still can't believe it.
You worked very hard for it.
It definitely took a lot of effort.
Are you excited about the new position?
Yes, but also a little nervous.
More responsibility?
Exactly.
I'm sure you'll handle it well.
I hope so.
Does the new role include managing a team?
Yes, 5 people actually.
That's a big step forward.
It feels strange becoming a manager.
You'll probably be a great leader.
Thanks for your confidence in me.
Are you celebrating tonight?
Maybe dinner with friends.
You deserve it.
Thank you so much.
Finally, the workday is over.
Thank goodness. Today felt so long,
Mondays are always exhausting.
especially after a busy weekend.
Do you have any plans tonight?
Just staying home and relaxing.
Honestly, that sounds perfect.
What about you?
I might watch a movie and order pizza.
That's a great way to end the day.
We all deserve some rest.
Definitely.
Did you finish all your tasks?
Almost. I'll continue tomorrow morning.
Good idea.
There's no point staying late again.
Exactly. Work-life balance is important.
I'm trying to improve mine.
Same here?
See you tomorrow, Jason.
Hey, Lisa, is your computer working now?
Not yet. It keeps freezing every few minutes.
That sounds frustrating.
It's slowing down all my work today.
Did you contact the IT department?
Yes, but they're very busy right now.
Maybe restarting the system could help?
I already tried that twice.
That's strange.
I'm worried I might lose my files.
Did you save your work recently?
Thankfully, yes.
That's good at least.
Technology always fails at the worst moment.
So true.
I have a deadline this afternoon, too.
Hopefully IT can fix it soon.
I really hope so.
Let me know if you need to use my laptop temporarily.
Thanks, David. That's very kind of you.
Emma, do you prefer working from home or the office?
Honestly, I like a mix of both.
Same here.
Working from home is comfortable, but sometimes lonely.
Exactly. I miss talking to coworkers,
But commuting every day is exhausting.
especially during rush hour traffic.
That's the worst part for me.
Do you feel more productive at home?
Sometimes, yes, there are fewer interruptions.
I get distracted too easily at home.
Really?
Yeah, I end up checking my phone too much.
That happens to me occasionally.
At least remote work saves money on lunch.
Very true.
Do you think our company will allow more remote days?
I hope so. Most employees seem happier that way.
Work-life balance is becoming more important now.
Definitely.
Good luck with your interview today, Chloe.
Thanks. I'm really nervous.
You'll do fine.
I hope they like my experience.
Your resume is impressive already.
That makes me feel a little better.
Did you prepare answers for common questions?
Yes, I practiced all weekend.
Smart move.
I'm mostly worried about speaking confidently.
Just stay calm and smile.
Easier said than done.
True, but confidence improves during the conversation.
I guess that's true.
What position are you applying for again?
Marketing coordinator.
That sounds perfect for you.
Thanks for supporting me.
No problem. Let me know how it goes later.
I definitely will.
Sophia, I think our team worked really well this week.
I agree. Everyone cooperated nicely.
The project felt less stressful because of that,
Teamwork makes a huge difference.
especially during busy periods.
Exactly.
I liked how everyone shared ideas openly.
Yes, the meetings were very productive.
Good communication solves many problems.
Absolutely.
Have you ever worked with a difficult team before?
Unfortunately, yes, it was exhausting.
What happened?
People argued constantly and avoided responsibility.
That sounds terrible.
It taught me how important cooperation is.
I'm glad our current team is different.
Me too.
Hopefully, we can keep this positive atmosphere.
I'm sure we will.
Emma, how's the report going?
I'm almost finished, but I'm running out of time.
The deadline is today, right?
Yes, at 5 p.m.
That's stressful.
Very stressful.
Is there anything I can help with?
Maybe you could review the final section?
Sure. Send it to me when you're ready.
Thanks. I just want everything to look professional.
I'm sure it already does.
I've been working on it since yesterday morning.
You definitely deserve a break after this.
Absolutely.
Are you planning to leave early tomorrow?
Maybe, if my manager agrees.
That seems fair.
I just need to survive today first.
You're almost there.
Thanks for the motivation.